Hello everyone, my name is Kent Liston, and here are some media applications to assist with a scenario of a teacher trying to assist his students in fractions. Mr. B is looking to find and help his students that struggle with fractions. Here are a few applications. Jumpstart Academy in Math uses individual and team-based projects in order to pinpoint issues and create instructions to help students. It uses games and real-time team-based online games in order to keep students' progress. Next is Matific. Matific is a feed-based program that assists students and encourages a trial and error method to find solutions. It assists students with activities and worksheets that align with your current lessons, and it keeps track of student progress and identifies areas of improvement. Lastly is Slice Fractions. Slice Fractions is a puzzle-based, unlimited number of problems application that provides badges or hats that provide motivational rewards for students. This kind of application creates a fun-based area that allows students to understand fractions and progress through the unit. These are my solutions for Scenario Elementary for Mr. B and his fractions lesson.